Hey guys, John here, Vapor Hunting Technologies. Want to talk to you today briefly about our mobile wet blasting unit. A mobile unit for you to pull out into your workshop or your driveway to clean and prep parts, just like our vapor hunting machines would in a cabinet. Where do we recommend this process? Anyone looking to blast larger parts than you can actually put inside of a wet blasting cabinet. That's where this machine comes in handy. This thing can remove paint off of brick, paint off of sidewalks. It can remove rust and powder coating or paint off of larger parts. Keep in mind that this is a lower volume system, meaning we're not trying to compete with some larger, huge blasting pot that costs $50,000 more. This product is priced and it works according to its price. So keep that in mind. It's a fantastic product for a DIYer. It's also a fantastic product for a medium volume type usage. That is where this product comes in handy. Oftentimes we had people asking if they could blast outside of their cabinet. That's why this product happened. A lot of people have, let's say, frame components or suspension parts that they want to blast and they don't have room in a cabinet. So that's where this machine came to fruition. So hopefully that helps. We do have some videos out there on the mobile blasting unit. You guys can go check those out. If you have more questions that you can't get answered through our content, please call or email the sales team. And as always, thanks for watching.